Hi, I'm Shirley from PreschoolPrintCo, and I'm here to show you how to use your Bingo Canva templates. First of all, you need to make a copy and make sure that you keep a copy for yourself and rename the new copy. Then you need to change your background and you go to Elements, search for Easter backgrounds or whatever background that you want. You can look at Graphics, choose your selection, drag it onto the page, and you will have a new background. The next thing to change is your font, and you can select any font you want, and you can also change the color, the font size. You can use the color picker, or you can use from the existing colors on the page to keep brand uniformity. You can also go to the effects and change the effects. Make sure that you duplicate it and keep an original, and you will copy that throughout however many pages you need. So you will rename the first copy Bingo Card 1, next one Bingo Card 2, Bingo Card 3, however many different Bingo cards that you need. You can always delete the original later or save it. Next thing you'll do, you'll need to drag your elements. So you'll choose the element that you want, be it Easter Bunny, egg hunt, and you will continue adding your different elements that you want. Eventually it will look something like this. Then you will use the same elements for your calling cards. However many elements you have on your first page, so if it's 3 by 3, you will have 9 elements. Then you will also need your tokens, and you can choose whatever image you want from there. You can go to your apps, so you can either discover apps or go to your apps that you've saved already and choose bingo cards. In that, you will have an option to select various words or numbers, however your bingo is set up. And the images that you have on your page are the names that you will list. So if you have 9 images, you'll have 9 words that you will enter. That is what you will use for your calling cards. So you see you have 9 words there. Because I'm using 3 by 3, I've decided to use 10 number of cards. I've kept the font the same, or you can change it as you need, and then you generate. It will give you 9 different bingo cards. From the bingo cards, you will then create your bingo cards according to the names generated. So you'll see each one of the 10 will be different ones. So egg hunt, carrots, colorful eggs, and you will do that in that same order, and you will carry on for all 10 bingo cards. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and subscribe, like, and share.